Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of how I decorate my home for Valentine's Day. Now this isn't a really big holiday for me, so I don't have a whole lot of decorations, and most of the items are from Dollar Tree or Walmart, so super inexpensive. And then also me and Carly did do a few different DIYs for Valentine's Day, so I'll make sure to link that up above for you guys so you can check that out. And then today I'm going to be showing you my home, and then also doing a little mini DIY for you guys and doing a Valentine's Day centerpiece for your table. So if you guys like these types of videos, make sure you are subscribed to our channel because I decorate for almost every season and holiday, so you don't want to miss that. And then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and head on into the video. Okay you guys, so here are the items that you're going to need. First is a wooden box, and this I picked up from a local flea market type thing. And the next item is some burlap. This stuff I got from Walmart, and I believe Dollar Tree carries a little bit thinner one, but they do carry burlap. And then you will need 2 of these stands. They're little candle stands from Dollar Tree. Next, I'm just gonna take this greenery from Michael's, and I'm gonna incorporate that as well. And then I do have some pink flowers to add in to give you that little Valentine's Day look. And then this is from a Centerpiece DIY that I did a while back. I have 3 of them that I made, and they're just these little foam balls that you can get from Dollar Tree. And I stuck in some flowers from Dollar Tree and just kind of made 3 different floral arrangements with that. So that I already have my 3 already made. And then you'll just need 2 candles from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to add my 3 little guys that I made here. I'm gonna take my wire cutter and just kind of cut a few of these off. And I'm just gonna start adding these into the arrangement. Okay, so now once you have that arranged how you want it, I'm going to add in the burlap. And I'm going to just fold it like this. And I'm going to just kind of weave it in and out of the plants here. And this is just going to help disguise any of the foam or anything like that. Okay, and now go ahead and add in your candle holders. And then your greenery is what's going to go in front. And then just some in the back. And then your candles go on top. And now I'm just gonna arrange it till I get what I like, and then your centerpiece is complete. And just adding those little touches of pink, just give it a really pretty look, and it's perfect for the center of your table. All right, so this is walking into the house here. And I'm just gonna turn around, and this is the entryway. So what I ended up doing for Valentine's Day, I just added this Love You More pillow from Walmart, and I think it was on clearance for $9, so really good deal. And then it just adds a little bit of that Valentine's Day kind of touch, and then I'm also going to be using it in the baby's room. And up on this wreath here, you know I like to keep this up kind of year round and just add things to it, and so I just added 2 red roses. And then everything else is just kind of seasonal decor, so that is all I did for Valentine's Day. Okay, and as you come this way, I have our couch. Now I wasn't going to buy any pillows, and so I actually have these 2 red pillows from Walmart, and they are actually pretty much more like Christmas pillows, but it actually worked out. I incorporated red into the living room, and so they worked really nice. And as you come this way, I have this 3-tier little jar from Hobby Lobby, and I just added some red roses, and the roses are from Walmart. They were $3 for the bundle, and I only got 1 bundle. And then this Love Dwells Here sign is from Walmart, and that one was $2.84. And up on this little shelf here, I just added this little heart pick, and that is from Walmart as well. Now we'll just head on over to the fireplace. And if you guys have not seen my winter tour of how I decorated, I kind of kept everything the same, and I will link that up above for you guys. But what I added was this Happy Valentine's Day sign into my wreath, and then added those picks from Walmart and added a pick over there. And this just helps to bring in a little bit of Valentine's Day, but still really neutral and simple. Now as we walk towards my kitchen, and we just are gonna come in here, and this is this little table I have here. Okay, so as you come forward, I just stuck another pick right in here. Stuff like this works so nice just to add into your decor, and then it instantly makes it look more Valentine's Day. And this love sign is from Dollar Tree. It was one of my favorite signs they had this year, so I had to pick that up. And then this is the DIY me and Carly made, but I did end up adding red roses instead, just so it would go a little bit better with this table. And then inside the lantern, I added one of those red roses as well. And then this is the love sign we created in our DIY, and I'll make sure to link that up above. But that turned out really cute. And now walking into the kitchen, as you can tell, it doesn't have a whole lot of decor, but what I ended up doing was on this center island here, this little jug is from Walmart, and I just tied this ribbon from Dollar Tree and added a few picks and roses, and those are all from Dollar Tree. And then the eucalyptus and cotton is from Walmart. And then I have this I Love Us sign, and I believe this one is from Hobby Lobby. Yes, for $1.99. And then over in this corner, I have this Dollar Tree sign that I hauled, and I just like love the way that that looks. It's super simple and really cute. And then I added some ribbon here, and this will just help to kind of bring like any kind of decor piece to make it look more Valentine's Day, and same with adding the pick. And then I have another one of those Love You signs from Hobby Lobby. Now as you come this way, this dish towel is from TJ Maxx. I got a set of 2 for $6.99. It just has little hearts and stripes. And now coming over to my coffee bar station or hot cocoa bar. The Warm Up Here hot cocoa served daily is from Target. And I just added a ribbon on top and then just some roses in there, and that's all I did for my coffee bar, and it looks super cute and a little bit festive for Valentine's Day. And as we walk into the dining room, here's our centerpiece that I showed you guys, and then in front of it I put this Love Dwells Here sign that's from Walmart, and I believe it was only $3. Yeah, $3.88, so super cute, and love the way that looks. And then coming on this side, let's see if I can get some good lighting. I have this 2-tier tray that me and Carly did in a DIY, and then one of our Valentine's Day DIYs just to set on top. And then our centerpiece, and I just love the way that these two roses really go together. And so I wanted to make sure to keep that in the same area. And I just think that looks super cute. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you guys are subscribed to our channel, and we'll catch you in the next video.